This video is sponsored by NeuroCruise, a special event hosted by my company, JKD Global Travel. Sail away with us May 29th on the Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady for a 4-night cruise from Miami to Key West and Virgin's private beach club on the island of Bimini in the Bahamas. Book now at neurocruise.com. Welcome to 100 Pounds Down, where we preach the gospel of GLP-1 and the word is good. This is a GLP-1 quick shot. In a collaboration between medical departments at Yale and Harvard, along with medical organizations in the UK and Switzerland, a recent economic evaluation study estimated that even with some profit margin added in, Ozempic could be manufactured for less than $5 a month, a price that actually costs less than how much it costs to make insulin. Current users and others who would like to take the medication but can't afford the nearly $1,000 list price took to social media with proverbial tar, feathers, and pitchforks. On Wednesday, Ozempic and Wegovy maker Novo Nordisk issued a statement but did not include information on their production costs, although they did point out that they spent over $5 billion last year in research and development and will be spending another $6 billion this year on efforts to ramp up production and supply to meet unprecedented levels of public demand. Wondering why these meds cost so much? Check out the link in my description or wait till the end of this video to link to another of my videos on that very topic. And that's the tea in the latest in GLP-1 news. For more info, advice, and opinion on anti-obesity medications and weight loss injections like Mounjaro, Zepbound, Ozempic, and Wegovy, hit that trifecta. Like, subscribe, notifications, and I'll see you on the other side.